Whether you're new to CapPlugs or an existing customer, we've made it easy for you to log in. Already a customer? Simply click the Account drop-down and enter your email and password. New customers can create an account by filling in and submitting the new account form. Once the form is submitted, a confirmation email will be sent to you for verification. Once verified, you may log in as a registered user and access your CapXpress customer dashboard. If you would like to immediately sync up your account, this can be done via our live chat or by calling our customer service team at 888-CapPlugs for assistance.